How to choose good wood. People often ask how to determine the right type of wood for a specific project, including understanding the different properties of wood and its resistance to wear and durability. 1. Purpose of the project. Before choosing wood, you should know the purpose of the project. Is it for outdoor or indoor use? Will it be exposed to moisture or heat? Will it support heavy weights? Answering these questions helps determine the required properties of the wood. 2. Quality. Different types of wood vary in quality and appearance. High-quality woods like oak, walnut, and mahogany are often used for heavy furniture and applications requiring greater resistance, while softwoods like pine and fir are commonly used for projects that require easier cutting and detailing. 3. Hardness and durability. Assessing the hardness of the wood is very important. Hardwoods like oak, walnut, and mahogany are typically used for heavy furniture and applications requiring more strength. Softer woods like pine and fir are used for projects that require easier cutting and detailing. 4. Moisture resistance. If the project will be used outdoors or in a damp place, choose wood that is moisture resistant, such as cedar, redwood, or white oak. 5. Weight. The weight of wood depends on its type. Some woods like oak and walnut are heavy and hard, while others like pine and fir are lighter and softer. 6. Price. You should also consider the price. Some woods like oak and walnut are more expensive, while others like pine and fir are more affordable. 7. Finishability. Some woods accept finishes better than others. If you plan to apply a coat of paint or varnish, choose wood that accepts this finish well. 8. Reliability. Choose wood from reliable sources to ensure its quality and avoid future problems. By considering these factors,